Hi guys, this is Karen. Welcome to another video. Well, if you're anything like me, then most of your mornings are chaotic. If you're small kids, then you need to get them ready. My kids are not small, but still I need to pack them lunches. I need to make them a sandwich for the morning. I have so many things to do in the morning, just getting everything done, juggling everything, and on top of it, trying to get a sip of my coffee. And on top of everything, I need to look good to get out of the door. And usually I have 5 minutes or less, and I just want to share with you my technique for this easy breezy makeup look that you can create even if you don't have time, even if your life is chaotic, like all of our lives are chaotic. Let's just get started without any further ado. First of all is tinted moisturizer. This is your best friend, and of course I already applied my moisturizer, SPF, everything as normal. We're just talking about the makeup we want to look put together, so I'm just using this one from ColourPop, pretty fresh hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer. Mine is in light 8N. So this, again, tinted moisturizer is your best friend because you don't need a brush, you don't need a sponge, all you need are your fingers. Of course, make sure they're clean. If you just change a diaper or something like that, then do wash your fingers before touching your face. So we don't want a heavy foundation, we just want a light tinted coverage to give our face an even skin tone, nothing to exaggerate. You can of course always add a tiny bit more if that's what you want, if there is a place that needs additional coverage, and I do recommend taking down on your neck for a tiny bit. And now we have an even and dewy complexion because it is a moisturizing tint. Okay, next up is cream blush. I'm using, well, I don't know if you can see, this is by Sigma. This is their cream blush in Pashima. Oh, now we can see something. So we just want a healthy flash of color. This is the shade. So, you know, cream blushes are the way to go. We just want something that will make us look healthy and the feeling that I woke up like this. So I'm just quickly blending it to the apples of my cheeks and on my temples. I'm taking one finger and applying, and with the, can we hear my stomach rumbling? And with the other finger I'm just blending. So we don't need a sponge, we don't need a makeup brush, we're just using our fingers, and we're using a universal rosy shade that will give us that blush and flush of color, just like that. Next up, we need to do something with the brows. I'm using this one from Kiko Milano. This is their Beauty Essentials Brow Mascara and 10-hour long-lasting brow pencil. I'm only using this is in the shade 01. I'm only using the brow gel. Now this is a tinted brow gel, and I'm using a tinted one because I want to save time. I don't have time to do brow pencil and then clear brow gel, so I'm just using one. And full and groomed brows instantly make us look more awake and polished, so don't skip that part, unless of course you have perfect brows that don't need that step, then by all means skip it. But other than that, I don't recommend skipping that It's a very simple step, it's not something too complicated. And again, we want to save time, so we're opting on a tinted one and not a clear one. Okay, next up is mascara. I'm using my Maybelline Sky High. So we just want to make our eyes pop, and mascara is the way to go. This one is so flexible, it's so easy to apply, and it gives us something. Of course, if we had time, we'll do eyeshadow and stuff like that, but we don't. The kids are screaming in the background, and we really need to be extra quiet when we're doing our mascara, because if we move, we can have smudges, and that will take longer to clean. Not that it's not impossible, not that it's impossible, it's definitely possible to clean, just time consuming, and we definitely don't have time. Now you see what I did? I need to wait for it to dry. I didn't, but usually we wait for it to dry. We don't have time to wait. I need to get out of the door in 2 minutes, so even though the mascara didn't turn out the way I wanted to, it's good enough. So we have mascara. Then I have this multi-stick by Nude Sticks. It's called Tinted Blur Stick. Mine is in the shade, I don't know, it doesn't have a shade. Where is the shade? Well, there isn't no shade number anywhere. Not on the cap, not on the bottom, not on the sides, which is really strange because usually they have the name on the back. I'm just taking this one. It looks like this. It can be doubles as a bronzing stick or something like that. I'm just adding a tiny bit to define this area, and again using my fingers, and we're almost done. Just a tiny bit. We can also add some to the eyelids just to give some pop of color. Nothing too much, and again I'm only using my fingers. I did not use any brushes or tools or anything like that. Now we want to lock all of our hard work, so we're spraying this one from the Beauty Crop. This is Quai Sherry. I guess it's in French. I have no idea how to pronounce it, so if I'm butchering the name, forgive me. So just spritz it all over your face to lock down our creation. And this one specifically has a sherry scent, which I really like. If you have a fan, this is the time to use it. Last step, we need to put something on our lips. This is from e.l.f. This is their Glow Revive lip oil. Mine is in Honey Talks. And just quickly applying. No lip liner, no anything. That's it. That's it. Just like that, our 5-minute everyday makeup is ready. We're ready to get out of the door. What do we think? I think I look presentable. I look put together. I have beautiful, glowy, healthy skin, and I'm ready. I'm going. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you tried out any of these tips. Do you have a tip for me to amp things up even more? And write it down in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.